We ordered this aluminum tape from Amazon. It was only $3.99. It's GTSE Aluminum Foil Tape. It was the cheapest one I could find. It finally arrived today. It's about 2 inches and 33 feet long. Some of the reviews said it's not necessarily up to standards. And also it said it's kind of thin. So I'm going to try it out on my microwave, over the range microwave. Let me show you. So I'm comparing it to some polykeen 339. This is pretty rigid, and so like it can keep the stuff in place. I wonder if this is anything similar to it, so we'll see. So my original setup wasn't as exactly safe. I'm using painter's tape to keep it in place, but that's the reason why I ordered the aluminum foil tape. Take off the blue tape and then I'll replace it with aluminum foil tape. First I need to take off this plastic over here. Ended up tearing a piece over here. It's okay. So that's probably the hard part right now. So you can see how thin it is. It's not like the original aluminum tape I had before. Let me just try to get this off first so I can maybe just cut it off. So again, it's pretty thin. So you still have to separate it. So that's a little problem. You separate from the adhesive regular tape. And there you go. It's pretty thin. It feels like as thin as aluminum foil you could get at the 99-cent store. So I'm going to actually tear off some, cut some off right now already. Try to use that. Let's see if I can put this on okay. Again, it's kind of flimsy. It's about the width, about regular aluminum foil you could get at the 99-cent store. It's not as strong as the polykeen 339. I mean, as rigid. But I think it can do the job that I want it to, which is just to keep it into place. You can see I just have to fit it to the thing, and it looks pretty good, pretty decent. Doesn't feel like it's gonna come off. I'm gonna tear off this piece over here. I'm gonna redo it also. Took it off. Now I'm gonna try to continue where I started, which is around here. If I can just take off the tape as I go, I can tape it on. Let me show you from the other side what's going on. Hopefully I don't drop and break everything. My wife would probably yell at me, but anyways, coming from the other side. Again, it's not exactly super rigid and thick, but it should do the job. And keep it in place. The main thing is originally my painter's tape, it's not safe and wouldn't be able to handle the moisture as well. But now it's pretty rigid now thanks to using that. So it did work, and it's pretty sticky. Did its job. It's a bit thin, like you can see how thin it is. It's not as rigid, but if all you need to do is tape something and keep it in place, this might do the job. Over and out.